What? Akin na. Okay, good job. Ayun. So, andito kami na guys ngayon sa Katempo. Sunday. Tapos na yung pasok. Si Daryl na lang pasok today. Ay, tambay tayo na antok ako sa hangin. Sarap. Akin nga yun, nagtatungan ng paa ko. Char lang. Tanungan. Sumanong tingin. Ay, oh, kita nyo, nananakit na si Daryl, guys. Anong pwedeng ano dito? Kaso, nagtubig si Kaden. Walang hugasan dito. Kasi sinara daw nila yung ano, guys.
Don't play with water.
Oh, sarap matulog. Kam-kam na lang. So, ayan. Malapit na ang Daglamikon.
And we're gonna go get some
How about Ola? What did you say, Ella?
get ice cream.
Ice cream? Where are you today?
Katempo Beach.
Ala, tignan nyo guys. Hindi naman nila alam itapon yung kalat nila. No? Nagkalat na lang sila. Ano na po? Tao nga naman.
Wait,
Tao kasi hindi
that
naman
one's
Ellie.
double. That one's double.
Where is Baningning?
Here.
Here!
Ah.
Baka. Oo, baka hindi nila natanggal. No? Hindi, I mean nga, hindi nga nila na-edit. Saan mo ba tinignan yung until 9 sa Google?
Sa Google Map.
Ay, ano ba yan?
Ano, meron ko.
Ay, ano ba yan? Akala ko may nakapaskil doon. Nag-expect ako. Very assuming. Nasaktan na naman tayo ngayon, guys. Ay, nako, lagi na lang tayo nasasaktan. Ano ba yan? Maganda pag wala nang pasok ng weekend, no? Family time na lang. Mag-invest. Kasi tumatanda na po si Daryl. Kailangan niya nang mag-invest ng oras sa mga anak niya. Isa na lang, isang taon na lang, 50 na po siya. 50 years old na. Pero hindi po kami magkasing age, ha? Mas bata po ako ng 20 years.
Ng 1 year. Sa mga
Hindi po, mas bata.
49.
Mas bata po ako ng 20 years kay Daryl. Oo nga. So, 25 na po ako. Si Daryl, 55.
One eternity later.
So, ayan guys. Tapos na kaming mag-dinner. Are you good on your dinner?
Yeah.
Pero pwede pa rin naman kayong kumain ng rice, right?
Yeah.
So, kukunin lang namin yung car seat ni Kaden. Booster pala. Booster seat ni Kaden na tag $10. Para dun sa other car. Para kay Asher, anak. Para hindi na tayo palipat-lipat. Para may nakapondo na.
Sunroof.
Oh, sunroof pala. Si sunroof daw. Sorry na po. Why do you want to call him sunroof? Everyone has a sunroof.
Because our new car has a sunroof. And the last name is Moon because it also has a moon.
Okay. Ayan guys, nandito na kami sa area ng South, sa may airport. How are you, Kaden? You good?
Yeah.
How about you, Bananhing? Good? Are you full, guys?
Nope.
Nope, not yet?
Yeah.
So, we're gonna eat rice again.
Because I want to be
want to be strong.
So that when it's so wake up, everybody will like subscribe so now I can be rich.
Lagi na lang Kaden. Anak, you won't get rich.
No, because of our videos. Then we always
Mommy is so lazy to make lots of videos. It's just like, ano ba? Paano? Random videos.
but we wanted to be rich.
Because I'm busy, anak.
But how we make more videos so now we can be rich and live in for our busy place Colombia.
I don't know.
We just wanted to make some sort so that we're
In 600 meters, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Parliament Avenue.
We also need to make some Facebook shorts, Instagram, and on Twitter.
Okay.
Those are the apps I went to made one app.
At the light, use the left 2 lanes to turn left onto Parliament Avenue.
Parang sobrang dilim na, no, Daryl?
One video or one
Hindi na siya yung ano. Tignan nyo guys, 7:27 na. Sobrang dilim na. Talagang fall na.
Did
Tapos na
we-
yung maliwanag na alas 10.
Mommy,
Nakakamiss? What, anak?
did we made the sort on Facebook and Instagram and Twitter? More?
Bakit alam mo ba ang Twitter, anak? Wala nga tayong Twitter eh.
Continue on Parliament
We
Avenue
just
for 1 kilometer.
we're trying our best to make a video on Twitter.
Oh wait, we're not posting something in Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, anak. We're just posting it in YouTube.
But we also make shorts on YouTube.
Yeah?
So that's why everyone's confused. But he just wanted.
O, kita mo, dito sabi ko sa area na to, no?
But why is it big?
Mukhang sa area to ni Tita Ever. Sa line ng bahay niya, oh. No, Daryl?
Yeah.
Tita Ever's house.
I think the lilies won't be the Emma's house.
In
Yeah.
300 meters, turn right onto Montague Street.
Ah, hindi. Hindi na tayo aabot dun sa bahay ni Tita Ever. Dito na lang tayo.
I wish that the lily came for the Emma's house, but it was not. I want to be more lucky.
Oh, you want to be more
Turn right onto
lucky.
Montague
That it's the way the lily is only the Emma's house. Because I like the Emma's house.
You like Tita Ever's house?
Yeah.
Oh.
In 600 meters, turn left onto Sunset Drive.
So ilagay mo lang dun sa mailbox yung bayad.
I'll go
Nasa garage naman yung seat. Labhan na lang natin. Alam, may nag-aano kung ganun.
I like it though.
Why did you open the light there?
But Ella asked me that I should open the light.
Close the light.
I can see. I see your face like this. Ooh. What?
Oh, 30 lang daw.
How do you do that? How do you
Because
What? Is that that?
Because
Somebody.
Turn left onto
Somebody
Sunset Drive,
don't
then your destination will be on the right.
What?
on the right.
What?
Oh, there are kids crossing the street. Oh, not kids, dog and adults.
Your daddy was.
Oh yeah. And guys, nakuha na namin kanina yung seat ni Kaden na spare niya para doon sa isang sasakyan. So yan, malinis-linis mo. Ay, kukunin mo ba to? Lilinisan mo?
Oh,
Okay, sige kunin ko na.
ilalagay yan sa ano mo eh.
Ay, oo, sa sasakyan na kabila. So ayun guys, nandito na kami sa bahay. Ella! Yung i-donate pa, di namin may donate kasi wala na yun. Uy, hindi naman tayo nag-donate. Oo, enjoy today? Yeah?
It's the
Except for
joy of the
the-
first
ang arte.
steps of a child.